Hello, good evening. Good evening, dear students. This is
Good
your
evening.
lecturer, Mohammed speaking. So I will be conducting the session for today. Today, the first session for your batch, which is going to be web design. I can speak in Tamil as well as in Sinhala. So when you have doubts, you may ask in any language. I will be able to clear them. Mainly, the subject will be done in English. Okay, so I will be doing the subject in English, and I can balance the subject a little bit with Sinhala and Tamil. That is how the session is conducted. I think the coordinator ma'am is there. So I think Pavitra ma'am or Takshila ma'am, someone is there as the host. So they have started the recording as well. So without further delay, let's get started. So students are joining in for the class. So there are almost 100 plus students are there. I'm really happy that a large number of students are here. Make sure that you properly understand the things that I explain you, as well as you clear your doubts by the way that you're going. Let me arrange my screen. Okay, I'm ready, right? So I'm going to share my screen to you, then I'll be start discussing with you, right? If you do have any doubts, you can switch on your mic and you can speak, and the chat window is always there. You can put your chat as well. Okay. සුබ දවසක් හැමෝටම අයිබෝන් මම ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ ටීචර් කතා කරන්නේ මගේ නම නුස්රත් මොහොමඩ් සමයින්ඩ මම තමයි මේ සෙෂන් එක ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කරන්නේ වෙබ් ඩිසයිනින් සෙෂන් එක කරන්නේ ඩවුට්ස් තියෙන අයට පුළුවන් සිංහලෙන් ඩවුට්ස් අහලා දැනගන්න මම මෙයින් සෙෂන් එක කරගෙන යනවා ඉංග්ලිෂ් වලින් හරිද අපි දැන් තා චුට්ටකින් ලෙසන් එක පටන් ගමු ரைட் உங்களுக்கு இந்த டவுட்ஸ் எதுவும் இருந்துன்னு சொன்னா தமிழுக்கு கேளுங்க உங்களுக்கு அதே மாதிரி chat விண்டோல வந்து டவுட்ஸ் இருந்துன்னு சொன்னா போடுங்க நான் வந்து ஆன்சர் பண்றேன் ரைட் ஓகே without much delay in the session, let's get started. Right, okay, I'm going to share my screen, right? All right. I'm pretty sure that you people are familiar with Zoom technology, how to work with the Zoom classes, because this is your first session. I'm not sure whether you have followed any other sessions over Zoom in the same platform, but just to have a small idea about yourself, right? Just raise your hands if you have already familiar with Zoom technology. Zoom technology உங்களுக்கு வந்து யூஸ் பண்ண தெரியும் அதுல ක්ලාස්ල අටෙන්ඩ් වන්න தெரியும்ன்றவங்க கொஞ்சம் කයතුම Zoom තාක්ෂණය හරහා ක්ලාස් එකට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න දන්න අය චුට්ටක් අත උස්සන්න මේක සමහර අයට ප්‍රථම අවස්ථාව වෙන්න පුළුවන් සිලාக்களுக்கு வந்து இது முதல் முறையா இருக்கலாம் right පන්ති අද ක්ලාස් එකේ ළමයි ඉන්නවා 120 ගාණක් ඉන්නවා හරි අපිට 120ක් වගේ තමයි අත උස්සලා තියෙන්නේ right ஒரு 120 பேருக்கு ஒரு 35 பேர் 36 பேர் கையை உயர்த்திருக்கீங்க ரைட் ஓகே ரைட் ஓகே ஃபைன் okay thank you very much for your feedback right thank you very much your feedback okay right I'll get a small feedback from you people is my line is very clear to you all is my line is very clear to you all one person can unmute your mic and you can speak
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, just you can speak, unmute your mic and speak. If you hold your space bar in your keyboard, temporarily the mic will be unmuted and you can speak. Is my line is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Okay, good, right. Okay, so seems like boys, girls, everybody is there, right? Okay. Right, so put your hands down. All of you, can you put your hands down, please? எல்லாரும் கையை கீழே போடுங்க හැමෝම අත්පාත් කරන්න හරි I'm just checking whether you can follow my instructions and you are okay with Zoom. That's why I'm asking you to do that, right? Okay. Right. Can you all open the chat window? Can you all put in the chat window? Can you just type your name and can you type hi? Let me see whether you can do that. Open the chat window and your name, comma, hi. Your name and hi, right? Right. Okay. Good. Good. People are quick, right? Great. All right. Nice. Okay, right. Let's stop that activity. Cool. Now, hope you can see my car. It's not actually my car, it's my wallpaper, right? So my screen is visible to you as I have shared my screen to you, right? Now let's get started, right? Okay. Now, can you stop typing in the chat window, please? Right. Okay. Let me tell you what we're going to learn, right? Okay. This session is going to be very much practical. This lesson is going to be very much practical. So I don't want even to create a presentation for this and teach you. I don't want a presentation for this, right? So my next subject is going to be photography. For that, of course, I will be using a presentation. Okay. Let me introduce you. What is this unit? What are the things that we're going to learn today? And what sort of things is going to be coming up in the lesson, right? Okay. So today's class, we're going to do introduction to web design. We're going to learn, right? So it's a, sorry about that. We're going to learn about this introduction to web design. We're going to learn. So I will be teaching you mainly about, we're not going to learn what is this and all, right? So some terminology we're going to learn. So basically we're going to learn about internet and some words. Okay, so we're going to learn some words, right? When you're going to work on web designing, we're going to work and we're going to learn some words. After we do these things, right, most probably we can start it today. If not, coming week we can start this next session. Well, we're going to learn HTML. That we're going to learn. I will teach you CSS, and then we're going to teach you Bootstrap, right? We will be using Bootstrap. We will be building a sample website. Okay, site rather than a website, it's almost like a web page, right? Okay, and depending on the time availability, I will be teaching you online web creation tools, right? So online web creation tools available. I will be giving a demonstration on this. We're not going to do this one practically. After learning all these things, let us take a glimpse of a look into online web creation tools, right? Online web creation tools. You would have sometimes heard about WordPress, right? So there's another thing called Wix, right? Without typing code in and all, you will be able to create and manage websites, right? So I will be introducing you these things as well. Apart from that, again, with the time availability, I will be teaching you something on the some design principles, right? Some design principles, plus some layout techniques, right? Actually, the time allocated for our course will be somewhere plus or minus 16 hours, not less than 16 hours. I will be covering you, don't worry. So per week, you will be having one session, and plus or minus, not minus, plus 16 or 16 plus hours I will be covering. All right. Okay, so that is about the introduction. Introduction in the sense what is lined up in the program. Okay. කාට හරි මේක සිංහලෙන් කියන්න අවශ්‍ය නම් ටක් ගාලා කමෙන්ට් එකේ දාන්න දරුවෝ. ரைட், யாருக்கும் தமிழ்ல எதை நான் சொன்னது டக்குன்னு சொல்லுண்டா ஒரு கமெண்ட் ஒன்று போட்டுருங்க. I can see that. One person has put his name in Arabic. Can you kindly change your name to Tamil or Sinhala or English, please? So everybody we can read and understand. I don't think I can read your Arabic characters, right? Please change your name. Okay, Tamil சொல்லுங்க. I want in Tamil. Singhalen දාන්න කොහොමද සිංහලෙන් කියන්න පුළුවන් නේද? right, මම සිංහලෙන් ඉස්සෙල්ලා කියන්න ටක් ගාලා ඊට පස්සේ අපි යමු Tamil වලින්. එතකොට මම කියන්න උත්සාහ කරේ අපේ මේ course එකේ right අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න යනවා introduction කොටසේ මම කියලා දෙනවා ඔයගලන්ට internet කියන්නේ මොනවද කියලා අපි චුට්ටක් discuss කරමු. ඒත් එක්කම ඒ හා සමාන, ඒ කියන්නේ internet තාක්ෂණයකත් එක්ක සම්බන්ධ වෙන වචන මාලාවක් තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ අපේ course එකට අදාළ වචන කීපයක් තියෙනවා. ඒව ගැන අපි චුට්ටක් අවධානය යොමු කරනවා introduction කොටසෙදි. අපි දැන් මම මේ කොටස ඉවර කරලා ඒක තමයි දැන් පටන් ගන්න යන්නේ. ඔය ළමයි short notes අවශ්‍ය නම් කොලේක කොහරි ලියා ගන්න ඔයාලට වීඩියෝ රෙකෝඩින් එක හම්බ වෙනවා මම වෙනම නෝට්ස් දෙන්නේ නෑ ඕගොල්ලන්ට මේ සබ්ජෙක්ට් එකට හරි ඕකේ ඒක සරලයි ඒක ගොඩක් ලේසි බලා ගන්න කරගෙන යනකොට හරි ඉන් පසු අප කරනවා HTML මේක HTML කියන මොකක්ද කියලා මම ඉස්සරහට කියලා දෙන්නම් ඊට පස්සේ CSS කියලා ටෙක්නොලොජි එකක් තියෙනවා අපි ඒක ඉගෙන ගන්නවා ඉන් පස්සේ අපි ඉගෙන ගන්නවා bootstrap එකෙන් තමයි අපිට mobile friendly websites හදන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ ඒ කියන්නේ websites හදන්න අපිට ඒවා ඕන platform එක එහෙම නැත්නම් ඕන resolution එක වැඩ කරන්න අපි කියනවා ඒවට responsive websites කියලා. ඒවා හදන්න පුළුවන් අපිට bootstrap එක. ඊට පස්සේ මම කියලා ඒක ඉවර වෙනත් එක්ක අපි sample web page එකක් මේ technologies හැම එකක්ම පාවිච්චි කරලා අපි කරනවා. හරිද? right. so ඒක තමයි plan එක. ඊට පස්සේ අපි කාල වේලාව ඉතුරු වෙන එක බලලා මම මේ ටිකත් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කියලා දෙන්න තමයි හිතාගෙන ඉන්නේ. online web creation tools මම කියලා දෙනවා. මම ගොඩක් වෙලාවට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කියලා දෙන්නේ WordPress වල වැඩ කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා. introduction එකක් දෙන්නම් මම කොහොමද කරන්නේ කියලා එක. ඒ වගේම wix.com කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. wix එකෙත් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පුළුවන්. අවශ්‍ය නම් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පුළුවන් මේ වෙබ්සයිට් එකක් හදලා මේන්ටේන් කරන්න. කෝඩින් කරන්නේ නැතිව. ரைட் தமிழ்ல சொல்றேன்னு சொன்னா இந்த இன்ட்ரடக்ஷன் பார்ட்ல என்ன செய்ய போறோம்னு சொன்னா இன்டர்நெட் அப்படின்னா மெயின்லி என்னன்னு நாங்க கொஞ்சம் கவனிக்க போறோம் அதோடு சேர்த்து இந்த இன்டர்நெட்டோட சம்பந்தப்பட்ட அதே மாதிரி வெப் டிசைனோட சம்பந்தப்பட்ட ஒரு சொற்கள் கொஞ்சம் இருக்குது அந்த சொற்களை பத்தி நாங்க பார்க்க போறோம் சரியா உதாரணமா ஃப்ரண்ட் எண்ட் அப்படின்னா என்னது பேக் எண்ட் அப்படின்னா என்னது சர்வர் சைட் ஸ்கிரிப்டிங் என்னது டொமைன் அப்படின்னா என்னது எல்லா வேர்ட்ஸும் எங்களுக்கு தேவையில்லை சில சொற்களை பத்தி நாங்க கொஞ்சம் மெயினான சொற்களை பத்தி கொஞ்சம் பார்த்துக்கொள்வோம் ரைட் ஓகே ரைட் அது வந்து அந்த பார்ட் அடுத்தது அந்த இன்ட்ரடக்ஷனுக்கு பிறகு என்ன செய்யறேன்னு சொன்னா உங்களுக்கு வந்து HTML நான் சொல்லி கொடுப்பேன் இன்றைக்கு சில நேரம் எங்களுக்கு வந்து HTML ஆரம்பிக்கக்கூடியதா இருக்கலாம் ரைட் HTML ஆரம்பிக்கக்கூடியதா இருக்கலாம் அதே மாதிரி HTML-க்கு பிறகு நாங்க CSS ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவோம் CSS எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றேன்னு நான் இப்ப சொல்லல CSS யூஸ் பண்ற மாதிரி நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லி தரேன் அதுக்கு பிறகு பூட்ஸ்ட்ராப் என்று சொல்றது வந்து நாங்க மொபைல் ஃபோன்ஸுக்கெல்லாம் வந்து எங்களோட வெப்சைட்டை யூசர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியா கிரியேட் பண்ண வேணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா நாங்க பூட்ஸ்ட்ராப் அப்படின்ற டெக்னாலஜியை தான் பாவிப்போம் அந்த பூட்ஸ்ட்ராப்ன்றதை நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லித்தரோம் அதாவது எங்களோட கோர்ஸ்ல வந்து HTML CSS பூட்ஸ்ட்ராப்ன்றது மிக பிரதானமா நாங்க இதுல வந்து படிப்போம் ரைட்டா டீட்டெயிலா இது மூணு நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லி தருவேன் அதுக்கு பிறகு இது முடிகிற கட்டத்துல அதாவது பூட்ஸ்ட்ராப் வந்து கொஞ்சம் முன்னுக்கு போற கட்டத்துல நாங்க வந்து ஒரு சாம்பிள் வெப்சைட் ஒன்று கிரியேட் பண்ணுவோம் அதாவது ரெஸ்பான்சிவான ஒரு வெப்சைட் ஒன்று நாங்க இங்க கிளாஸ்ல கிரியேட் பண்ணுவோம் நீங்க என்ன செய்யணும் சொன்னா உங்க வீடியோவை பார்த்து உங்களுக்கு அப்படியே கிரியேட் பண்ணலாம் நான் செய்யற நேரம் உங்களுக்கு செய்யற வசதி இருந்தா செய்யலாம் தாராளமா என்றாலும் வீடியோவை பார்த்து நீங்க பிறகு செய்யறதான் சூட்டபிளா இருக்கும்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன் ரைட் அதுக்கு பிறகு என்னன்னு சொன்னா இந்த டைம் எவ்வளவு எங்களுக்கு எஞ்சுது அப்படின்னு பார்த்து நான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஆன்லைன் வெப் கிரியேஷன் டூல்ஸ் பத்தி கொஞ்சம் சொல்லி தருவேன் அதாவது வேர்ட் ப்ரெஸ் பத்தி நாங்கள் கொஞ்சம் பார்ப்போம் வேர்ட் ப்ரெஸ் என்னது எப்படி அதில் வெப்சைட்டோட பப்ளிஷ் பண்ணி கொள்றது அதுக்கு பிறகு அதில் எப்படி பேசிக்காக வேலை செய்யறது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு டெமான்ஸ்ட்ரேஷனோட நான் இதில் தாரேன் உங்களுக்கு வந்து மேற்கொண்டு விஷயங்களை தேடி படிக்கலாம் சரியா அடுத்தது விக்ஸ் பற்றியும் எங்களுக்கு பார்க்கலாம் நான் விக்ஸை வந்து டீட்டெயிலாக செய்யலை அடுத்தது நீங்க வந்து கவனிக்க வேண்டிய ஒரு விஷயம் என்னன்னு சொன்னா 16 ஹவர் பிளஸ் வரும் 16 ஹவர் அலோகேட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க ஒரு ஹவர் 2 ஹவர் கொஞ்சம் கூடலாம் ரைட் ஸோ குறையாது கூடலாம் 16 ஹவர் நாங்க செய்வோம் அப்போ இதுதான் எங்களோட லெசன் பிளான் මේක තමයි දැන් මම කියපු එක තමයි මේක තමයි අපේ ලෙසන් பிளான் එක ரைட் ළමෙක් தமிழ்ல கேட்டிருக்கீங்க வந்து போன்ல வந்து கிரியேட் பண்ண இயலுமான்னு சொல்லி ஆன்லைன் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம்ஸ் இருக்குது வெப்சைட்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்றதுக்கு அதுல போய் உங்களுக்கு டைப் பண்ணலாம் கோட் என்றாலும் போன்ல வந்து அந்த கீபோர்ட் போன்ல ஸ்கிரீன்ல உள்ள கீபோர்ட் வந்து நான் நினைக்கல உங்களுக்கு வந்து பெரிய அளவுல யூசர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியா இருக்கும்னு சொல்லி உங்களுக்கு வேற ஆப்ஷனே இல்லைன்ற பட்சத்துல வந்து செஞ்சு பார்க்கலாம் ஆனா நான் வந்து ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணல என்று சொன்னா நீங்க ஃபைல்ஸ் தான் எப்படி சேவ் பண்ணுவீங்க உங்களோட வெப்சைட்டை அதனால நீங்க வந்து அதை கொஞ்சம் கவனிங்க ரைட் Pavitra madam if you are there students are asking for the attendance sheet kindly can you run the poll please I think in the section there is a poll Pavitra ma'am are you there Miss Pavitra are you there Okay. Takshila Miss Swadinne. Are you there? Anyone from the college is there? Okay. Anyways, no problem, no harm. You can use let me run the polls. Okay, I will launch it, right? Okay. I think you should be able to see that now. Okay. Android, Blue Droid, right? Okay. Right. හරි. ඔය ළමයින්ගේ තව චූටි මම දැන් ෆීඩ්බැක් එකක් ගන්නවා. මම එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරන එක මම කතා කරන විදිය ඔයගලන්ට පැහැදිලිද? நான் கதைக்கிறது உங்களுக்கு நல்லா கிளியரா? அது வந்து ஓகேடா?
Yes, sir.
Right. Am I speaking to you very clearly? Yes. Am I okay? Is it understandable? Right. Okay. Good. Right. Fine. Let's continue the session. Right. ඔය ළමයි කොළ කෑල්ලකුයි பென்சிலுக்கு තියාගෙන අවශ්‍ය දේවල් லியாகன යන්න. හරිද? தேவையானதை குறிச்சு கொள்ளலாம். உங்களுக்கு தேவைன்ற பட்சத்துல குறிச்சு கொள்ளுங்க. ரைட். நாங்க இப்ப இதை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவோம் செய்யறதுக்கு. ரைட். முதல்ல வந்து இதை அழிச்சு போட்டு ரைட். இப்ப வந்து மைக் ஆன் பண்ணி கதைக்க ரெடி ஆகுங்க. மைக்கை ஆன் කරලා කතා කරන්න ரெடி වෙන්න. හරිද? பயப்படாம கதைக்கணும். சரியா? உங்களோட முகம் விளங்குதுல தானே? கதைக்கலாம் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. எந்த ආන්සරුම් පිළයාන ආන්සර් இல்ல. කිසිම ආන්සර් එකක් වැරදි ආන්සර් නෑ. ඒ කියන්නේ මම ඒ කිසිම ළමයෙක්ගේ ආන්සර් එකක් ඩිස්කරේජ් කරන්නේ නෑ. හරිද? ඔයාලා පිළිතුරු දෙන්න පුළුවන්. මම ප්‍රශ්න අහද්දී පිළිතුරු දෙනවා නම් තමයි ගොඩාක් හොඳ. හරිද? එතකොට තමයි අපිට මේ ලෙසන් එක டீட்டெயில் කරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් ඔය ළමයි හැමෝම மைக் மியூட் කරලා තියාගන්න. இப்போ வந்து எல்லாரும் வந்து உங்களோட மைக்கை வந்து மியூட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கொள்ளுங்க. நான் கேள்வி கேட்கிற நேரம் உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணலாம். சரியா? ரைட். ஓகே, குட். First, without further lot of mic mute பண்ணுங்க. mic එක close කරලා තියාගන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාලගේ sound එන්නේ නැති වෙන්න තියාගන්න. හරිද? හැමෝම mic එක on කරාම අනිත් ළමයින්ට කරදරයක් වෙනවා. எல்லாரும் mic on பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னா மத்தவங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும் கேட்கறதுக்கு. அதனால mic எல்லாத்தையும் mute பண்ணிக்கொள்ளுங்க. சரியா? Okay. Right. First, what we're going to learn is உங்களுக்கு ඉන්ටර්නෙට් அப்படின்னு என்னன்னு தெரியுமா? අන්තර්ජාලය කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා දන්නවද? ඔයාලා දන්න කෙනෙක් දැන් මෙතන ළමයි දෙන්නෙක් අත උස්සලා දිනවා. හරිද? ඒ ළමයින්ගේ අත් දෙකම පාතට දානවා. right. දන්න කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවනම් අත උස්සන්න බලන්න. ඉන්ටර්නෙට් කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? இன்டர்நெட்ன்றது என்னன்னு தெரியும்ன்ற ஒருத்தர் கையை தூக்குங்க. நான் கேட்கிறேன் என்னன்னு சொல்லி. ඉන්ටර්නෙට්ல இப்ப සර්ච් பண்றேல்ல. ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එක දැන් සර්ච් කරන්න එපා. ඉන්ටර්නෙට් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා. පිළිතුරු දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද එක්කෙනෙක්? யார் சரி இருக்குதா சொல்லிடு. இன்டர்நெட்னா என்னது? டக்குன்னு சொல்லுங்க. டைம் போய் கொண்டிருக்கு.
வலைத்தளம்.
அது வந்து இப்ப விளக்கமில்லையே தமிழ்ல அதுல சொல்றீங்க நீங்க. வலைதளம்ன்றது வந்து நெட்வொர்க்கை குறிக்கும். இணையதளம்ன்றது தான் இன்டர்நெட்டை குறிக்கும். சரியா? ஆல்ரைட். ஓகே.
சார் தகவல்களை பெற்றுக்கொள்ளலாம்.
ஓகே, தகவல். அது வந்து இன்டர்நெட்ல யூஸ் பத்தி சொல்றீங்க. சரியா? ඉන්ටර්නෙට් යූස් பண்ணி என்ன செய்யலும்ன்றது. අනිත් ළමයිනුත් කියන්න සිංහල දරුවෝ කතා කරන්න.
Yeah, it's a global system to know everything.
It's a global system to know everything. Okay, right. Okay, we'll see for more answers. Right after that. Sorry. Tenuja Jasing. Tell me.
I saw where we can search for data and get information.
Okay, search for information and data. You can get information. Okay, right. Okay, internet is a global system of interconnected.
It is an electronic communication network.
Okay, it is electronic communication. Okay, go ahead. Further answers.
Communications use
communication use பண்றோம். சரி, ஒருத்தருக்கு லைன் கொஞ்சம்
Sir,
clear இல்ல போல.
உலக அளவில் பல கணனி சார்
சொல்லுங்கம்மா.
உலக அளவில் பல கணனி வலையமைப்பின் கட்டமைப்பினான பெரும் வலையமைப்பு.
ஓகே, எங்க பாத்தீங்க? புக்ல இருந்ததா?
இல்ல,
பாடமாக்கி.
நான் படிச்சேன். இல்ல
Right,
இல்ல
okay, good. Right. Okay, right. Now I will simply explain you in very simply. I'll explain you what it is. Right. Now all of you tell me the way that I am speaking English. I hope all of you will understand because I'm using very simple English. Very simple English. If there is a word coming, I will be explaining that word in Tamil or Sinhala word. Right. Okay. Search engine is not internet. Okay. So wait, let's take a look at this one, right? So So there is a thing called ARPANET. We call this one as the ARPANET. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. Okay. Okay, this is what shortly known as ARPANET. Okay, this is a military-based. This is a military-based organization in the US, and I can't exactly remember the year. Right, some around 60, 70 years back. Right, I don't know whether America is like this. Right, so if you take a continent, huge continent, right, you know. During World War II and all, you know, there were nuclear bomb attacks, you know. So when that kind of a nuclear bomb attack is there, huge areas of a country can get damaged. Okay, especially during a wartime, a huge area of a country can get damaged, or it can become malfunction. Okay, I'll tell you the concept. So what these scientists wanted is they wanted a network. You know, network means it is a connection in between multiple locations, right? So I'm just drawing this one just for your understanding only. So what they were doing is, what their plan is, now for example, if you take a TV, let's assume this is a TV. If this is a TV, and you know, inside the TV, you have a lot of circuits and all the things going on, right? And let's assume you take a hammer suna suthiyal mitiyak aragena mekata thalano eka pathakata harida idhula oru pakkatha nanga adichu odaikirom seriya adhaadu indha TV la ungoda TV la oru pakkatha odaikirom seriya na adha vandu mark panna poren seri indha pakkatha menna me kotasa api thalano onno e kella thalano then gahala adichu odaikirom indha part seri idha than TV ungoda ஒரு மூணில் ஒரு பகுதி உடைக்கிறோம்னு சொல்லுவாங்களே තුනෙන් එකක් වගේ ඔන්න තුනෙන් එකට කිට්ටු කොටසක් අපි කඩනවා ගහලා කඩනවා කුඩු කරනවා හරිද ගහලා එතකොට දරුවෝ මට කියන්න එහෙම අපි ටී එකකට කොටසකට අපි තඩි බෑවුත් එම ගහලා මේ කුඩු කරලා දැම්මුත් එම අපේ ටීවී එක වැඩ කරයිද අපිට நாங்க ஒரு அந்த தொலைக்காட்சி பெட்டியை வந்து ஒரு பகுதி அடிச்சு உடைச்சோம்னு சொன்னா எதை யூஸ் பண்ணி சுத்தியலை யூஸ் பண்ணி அது எஞ்சி இருக்கிற டிவி சர்க்கிட் வந்து வர்க் பண்ணுமா மைக்ல கதைக்கு பயப்பட வேணாம் ரைட் வில் வர்க் பண்ணுமா உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா இல்ல இப்ப யாரும் போய் சுத்தில தூக்கிட்டு போய் அடிக்கிறே இல்ல ரைட் no one goes and smash your TV, right? So that same theory here, what you wanted to understand here is, if you take this is a country, huge country, in the country several locations are networked like this. Suppose unfortunately in this area you got a nuclear attack, in the පහදිල ஒரு nuclear bomb attack උඩ நடக்குது මේ කොටසේ අපි කියමුකෝ මේ පරමාණු බෝම්බයක් දැම්ම කියලා. එතකොට ඒ රටේ විශාල කොටසක් ඩැමේජ් වෙනවා. அந்த countryட ஒரு பெரிய பகுதி வந்து அதாவது network ட பகுதி උඩ ඩැමේජ් ආවද. ඒ network එකේ ලොකු කොටසක් ඩැමේජ් වෙනවා. එතකොට මේගොල්ලන් හදපු මෙන්න මේ සිස්ටම් එක තමයි මේ ARPANET කියන සිස්ටම් එක තමයි මේ කොටසක් මෙහෙම ඩැමේජ් වුණත් මේ network එක ඉතුරු කොටස් ටික කරදරයක් නැතුව තමන්ගේ මේ ලොකේෂන්ස් අතර තොරතුරු හෝමාරු කිරීමේ හැකියාව තියෙන්න ඕනේ. அதாவது வந்து ஒரு பகுதி வந்து உடைஞ்சு போனாலும், அதாவது ஒரு ஏரியா வந்து சம்பூர்ணமாவே வந்து வேலை செய்யாம போயிட்டாலும் என்ன நடக்க வேணும்னு சொன்னா, எஞ்சி இருக்கிற நெட்வொர்க் பகுதிகள் வந்து கட்டாயமா வேலை செய்ய வேணும். ரைட்? I will check that. And as far as I know, it's ARPANET. That's how we studied those days. If you really want, we can check it out, right? The ARPANET also there, because Department of Advanced Agency Research Project maybe. If you put, the rest of the thing is same, right? Okay. Anyways, I was explaining you the concept, right? So, right. I hope most of you. Okay, but the attendance is there. It's still going on. Paul is running. You can mark your attendance. Right. I hope most of you got an idea. this one is not necessary for learning web designing. இது வந்து කට්ටායම தெரிஞ்சிருக்க වෙනුම් இல்ல web designing படிக்க මේක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම දැනන් ඉන්න ඕනේ කියන එක නෙවෙයි මම කියන්නේ. නමුත් අපි use කරන්න යනවා වැඩ කරන්න යනවා ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එකේ. එතකොට අපි ඒක මොකක්ද කියලා දැනන් ඉන්න එක චුට්ටක් වටිනවා ඉතින් අපිට background එක. හරිද? ඒ හින්දා තමයි මම කිව්වේ. right අපි තව ඉස්සරහට යමු. ඔය කිව්වේ දැන් එතකොට ඕක තමයි අන්තර්ජාලය පටන් ගන්නම. இதுதான் வந்து எங்கட நாங்க இன்றைக்கு வந்து இன்டர்நெட் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம் அப்படி இல்லைன்னா இணையம் அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுல ஆரம்பம் வந்து இப்படிதான் இருந்தது சரியா இப்ப இதை வந்து ஆரம்ப காலத்துல என்னத்துக்கு வச்சிருந்தாங்கன்னு சொன்னா அவங்க ராணுவ நடவடிக்கைகளுக்காக தான் இதை வந்து அவங்க வந்து முதல்ல வந்து பாவிச்சாங்க சரியா அதுக்கு பிறகு வந்து அதை என்னத்துக்கு செஞ்சாங்கன்னு சொன்னா யூனிவர்சிட்டிஸுக்கு வந்து ரீசர்ச் பர்பஸுக்கு கொடுத்தாங்க சரியா పిల్లలు కొంచెం మైక్ మ్యూట్ பண்ணுங்க దరో కరుణాకర్లా మీ మైక్ స్టిక్ మ్యూట్ කරලා දෙන්න මට චුට්ටකට ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ மைக் மியூட் කරගන්න மைக்க வந்து மியூட் பண்ணிக்கொள்ளுங்க சரி ரைட் நான் என்ன சொல்ல வந்தேன்னு சொன்னா அப்ப அதுதான் அதுல ஆரம்பம் ரைட் ஓகே அடுத்தது இப்ப இதுக்கு பிறகு நாங்க என்ன செய்ய போறோம்னா சாரி இதுக்கு பிறகு இல்ல அடுத்த கட்டமா என்ன செஞ்சாங்கன்னு சொன்னா இதை வந்து யூனிவர்சிட்டிக்கு இடையில கொடுத்தாங்க මම මේක දැන් ඉවර කරනවත් එක්කම සිංහලෙන් චුට්ටක් කියන්නங்க මුලදී ක්ලාස් එකේ මට මෙහෙම එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරන්න වෙන ඔය ළමයින්ට චුට්ටක් මේක ඔයගොල්ලන් අල්ල ගන්න ඕන හින්දා රයිට් අනිත් එක අපි පොඩ්ඩක් අර ක්ලාස් එකට හුරු වෙන්නත් එපා වචන සෙට් එකට நான் கொஞ்சம் இந்த படிச்சுக்கொள்ளும் வேணுமே இந்த சொற்களை அதுக்காக கொஞ்சம் இதுல டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணி படிச்சுக்கொள்ளும் ரைட் ஓகே அது முடிஞ்சு ரைட் இரண்டாவது ஸ்டெப் அவங்க என்ன செஞ்சாங்க யூனிவர்சிட்டிஸுக்கு இதுல அதாவது யூனிவர்சிட்டிக்கு இடையிலேயும் வந்து இந்த நெட்வொர்க் வந்து வளர்ந்து கொண்டே வந்தது சரியா அப்ப அவங்க இந்த ரிசர்ச் டேட்டா அதுகளை வந்து ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்றதுக்காக இதை யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க මීළඟ කොටස ඒ කියන්නේ ඊගාව අධීර මෙන්න මේ අපි අද දවසේ දැන් අපි කියනවා දැන් අන්තර්ජාලය කියලා කියනවනේ දැන් අන්න මේ අන්තර්ජාලය මීළඟ කොටස උනේ ඒගොල්ලන් මේක මේ විශ්වවිද්‍යාල වලට මේ මොකද්ද රිසර්ච් එකට කියන්නේ මොකද්ද අපි රිසර්ච් එකට මොකද්ද කියන්නේ සිංහලෙන් පරිශන නේද ගොඩක් වෙලාට ඒ වගේ දේවල් කරන්න තමයි ඕක දුන්නේ right so එතකොට ඒක ඒ කියන්නේ සාමාන්‍ය ජනතාව අතරට මේක ප්‍රසිද්ධිය available උනේ නැහැ දෙවෙනි අධීරයේදී ඒක පාවිච්චි කරේ யூனிவர்சிட்டிஸ் තමයි පාවිච්චි කරේ හරිද ரைட் இரண்டாவது கட்டத்துல வந்து பொதுமக்கள் வந்து இத பாவிக்கல இவங்க வந்து யூனிவர்சிட்டிஸ் வந்து அதுக்கான access பெற்றிருந்தாங்க அவங்க வந்து இத யூஸ் பண்ணாங்க சரி ரைட் දැන් අපි තුන්වෙනි අධීරයට යමු මේක දැන් තුන්වෙනි අධීරය කියලා කියන්නේ මේක ගොඩක් මෑත අතීතය ඒ කියන්නේ අපි ඉන්ටර්නෙට් කියලා ගත්තොත් ඉන්ටර්නෙට් එකේ ෆීචර්ස් ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. මේ ෆීචර්ස් වල එකතුව තමයි අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඉන්ටර්නෙට් කියලා කියන්නේ. இன்டர்நெட்னு சொல்றது நிறைய ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் ஒரு கூட்டா தான் நாங்க சொல்றோம். அதாவது இன்டர்நெட்ல என்னென்ன இருக்கு இமெயில் இருக்கு. இமெயில் இஸ் தேர் ரைட் Gopher කියලා දෙයක් තියෙනවා. Gopher ஒன்று இருக்கு. இது வந்து search engines யூஸ் பண்றது. Email Gopher. Then you have news groups. Then you have worldwide web. You have this one. நாங்க www அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். World Wide Web. කියනවා අපි World Wide Web කියලා කියනවා. ඊට පස්සේ තව දේවල් තියෙනවා FTP කියලා දෙයක් තියෙනවා. File Transfer Protocol. ඔන්න ඔයගේ තව features මෙතන තියෙනවා පල්ලෙහාට. හරිද? මෙන්න මේ features වල එකතුව තමයි අපි අන්තර්ජාලය කියලා හඳුන්වන්නේ. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு features ஒரு கூட்டுத்தொகைக்கு தான் நாங்க வந்து இன்டர்நெட் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். சரி. இப்போ நாங்க அடுத்த ஸ்டெப் கவனிப்போம். நான் எதுக்காக சொன்னேன்னு சொன்னா 1995ஆம் ஆண்டுகள்ல தான் வந்து வேர்ல்ட் வைட் வெப்ன்றது வந்து அறிமுகப்படுத்தப்பட்டது. ඒ කියන්නේ 1995 වර්ෂයේ තමයි මේ වර්ල්ඩ් වයිඩ් වෙබ් කියන එක ප්‍රසිද්ධියේ ජනතාව අතරට ප්‍රසිද්ධියට පත් කරේ. හරිද? එතකොට මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? මේක දැන් ජනතාව අතරට පත් කරනවා කියලා කියන්නේ මේක බිස්නසස් වලට මේක ඇතුළට එන්න ඉඩ දුන්නා. එතකොට තමයි අර වෙබ්සයිට්ස් අන්න ඒ concept එක එන්න පටන් ගත්තේ. අதாவது வந்து 1995 சரியா இப்ப என்ன செய்றீங்கன்னு சொன்னா දැන් ඒ කියන්නේ 1995 විතර වෙනකොට මේක බිස්නසස් අතරට ගොඩක් ප්‍රචලිත වුණා. ඒකත් එක්කම තමයි මේ අන්තර්ජාල දැන් බිස්නස් එකට යනවා කියලා කියන්නේ දැන් බිස්නස් පැත්තට ව්‍යාපාරික පැත්තට යනවා කියලා කියන්නේ ඒක ඉක්මනින් දියුණු වෙනවා. මොකද ඒකෙන් මොකද මේ කම්පනීස් නැත්තම් මේ ආයතන බලන්නේ ඒකෙන් ලාභයක් ලබන්නනේ. එතකොට ඒක ඉතාමත් ඉක්මනින්ම ඒකලන් දියුණුවට පත් කරනවා ගොඩාක් තව දේවල් අලුතින් එකතු වෙනවා ඉස්සරහට ගොඩාක් ඒක කරගෙන යනවා அதாவது வந்து இந்த வியாபாரமயப்படுத்தப்பட்டதுக்கு பிறகு என்ன நடந்துன்னு சொன்னா இதை வந்து மிக வேகமா வந்து இது வந்து மிக வேகமா வந்து பிரபலமடைய தொடங்கிச்சு அதே மாதிரி வளர தொடங்கிட்டு இப்ப நாங்க யூஸ் பண்றது இன்டர்நெட் எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னு சொன்னா அதுல வந்து நிறைய வந்து ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் காணப்படுது இப்ப இருக்கிற இன்டர்நெட் நீங்க வந்து இப்ப நாங்க இருக்கிற யுகம் வந்து ஐசிடி யுகம்னு சொல்றது முந்திருந்த யுகம் வந்து ஐடி அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம் கம்ப்யூட்டர்ஸ் டெலிகம்யூனிகேஷன் செப்பரேட்டா இருந்தது அதுக்கப்புறம் கம்ப்யூட்டிங் டெலிகம்யூனிகேஷன் ஒன்றா சேர்ந்து ஐடி வந்தது ஐடியோட சேர்த்து நிறைய வந்து டெலிகம்யூனிகேஷன்ல வந்து அட்வான்ஸ்மெண்ட்ஸ் வந்தது முன்ன காலத்துல உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் வைஃபை ப்ளூடூத் ஜிக்பி லைஃபை இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய வந்து டெக்னாலஜிஸ் எல்லாம் காணப்படல சரியா இந்த அதை வந்து அந்த அளவு நான் போடல ரைட் அப்ப ஆரம்ப காலத்துல அப்படித்தான் இருந்து இப்ப வந்திருக்கு ஓகே சரி හරි අපි තව චුට්ටක් දැන් ලෙසන් එකේ ඉස්සරහට යමු මේ ටික ඔය ළමයින්ට පැහැදිලි කියලා මම හිතනවා එතකොට දැන් අපි අපේ ඩිස්කෂන් එකේ ඊගාව කොටසට යමු right ඒ තමයි right okay ඒ තමයි මේ අපිට මට කියන්න ඔයාලා දන්නවද World Wide Web එකේ මොනවද තියෙන්නේ කියලා do you know what you have in the World Wide Web World Wide Web அப்படின்றதுல என்ன இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம்
HTTP protocol
சரி வேற சொல்லுங்க வேற என்ன இருக்கு
IP address
පුතේ දුයිද දන්නේ මං ගොඩක් දේවල් සිංහලෙන් දෙමළෙන් කිව්වේ නෑ පුතේ මං කිව්වේ මේකේ මේ අර ව්‍යාපාර ඒ කියන්නේ මේ ඔක වෙළඳ ප්‍රජාවට ඔක මේ ප්‍රසිද්ධිය පත් කෙරුණානේ ඒ කියන්නේ මේ අන්තර්ජාලය 1995න් පස්සේ එතකොට ඒක සීග්‍රයෙන් වර්ධනය වුණා කියලා කියන්නේ මම. මොකද ඒක කමර්ෂියලයිස් කරාම මොකද මේ ඒ ආයතන බලන්න පුළුවන් තරම් ලාභ ලබන්නනේ ඒක. එතකොට ඒක තාමත් ඉක්මනින් වැඩි දියුණු වුණා. ඒක තමයි මට එතන කියන්න අවශ්‍ය උනේ. මම ඒක තමයි සිංහලෙන් කියන්නේ. සමහර විට මම චුට්ටක් වැඩියෙන් කිව්වා දන්න වචන ඒක ආයෙම අහන්න. Okay, then you people are adding a lot of things about World Wide Web, right? I was just asking you, what is the World Wide Web, right? Okay,
It's
let us know.
www dot. For each website, we need to use www dot.
Okay,
It's like that.
so I'm asking
Yeah.
what it is.
It's a website.
No, I was asking you the World Wide Web means. I'm just asking you if you got an idea. I'm just asking you what it is. That's all. Now you said we just type www. Okay, right, and
Yeah.
what you get is a website. All right. Okay, right.
Yeah,
We will take the discussion from Okay. Any other children? Any others? Any other answers?
Information system on the websites.
Internet system on the website. Okay, good. Right. Now we are doing a web design. Domain naming address. Okay, I'll tell you. In the World Wide Web, right? In the World Wide Web, what you have is, I will get you. That's you got billions of websites. Okay, so you get billions of websites, not B for ball. Billions of websites you get, right? Okay, right. So websites we have. So if you take a website, that's what we're going to make. We're going to have a website, right? Let's take an example. Okay, let me open up. Now, even this Zoom class is available, or even this Zoom session is possible for us because we have the internet facility. Okay, right. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I am going to visit a website. Okay, let's type a website's name. Something like www. Let's type something like daraz.lk. Okay, I hope most of you might know what is daraz.lk is, right? So if I press the enter key, I have typed www.daraz.lk. Now, after a couple of seconds, you will be seeing the first page of the Daraz website. Okay, most of you have been to this website. நீங்க நிறைய பேர் இதுக்கு போயிருப்பீங்க. ගොඩක් අය මේක visit කරලා ඇති. මේක e-commerce website එකක් කියලා අපි කියනවා. මේකෙන් අපිට online අපිට බඩු purchase කරන්න පුළුවන්. இதுல வந்து எங்களுக்கு இணையதளம் மூடாக எங்களுக்கு வந்து எங்க பொருட்களை வந்து கொள்வனம் செய்யலாம். உட கடன் அட்டையை பாவிச்சு அப்படி இல்லைன்னு சொன்னா டெபிட் கார்டை பாவிச்சு செய்யலாம், right? Your debit card or credit card can be used to pay, and then you can buy. Even cash on delivery is there. So this is a website. So this is just one website. You can just type and you can search for what you want, right? So let's search for something like, let's say I like to buy an Arduino. I don't know whether some of you might know what is an Arduino is. Let's say Arduino. Arduino. So this is an Arduino, right? So I can check the prices. Okay, I can check the prices. Fine. So this is just one website. Let's go to another website, right? Let's go to a website, something like I think most of you might like vehicles, right? So let's go to a website like Toyota.com, right? So if you go to Toyota.com, so that what you see is the Toyota website. I don't know, my videos are breaking for you. If you have a good connection speed, no, nothing will break for you. So I'm just scrolling the website and you can see, this is what you see is the what a Toyota website. நான் வந்து வெப்சைட் என்னான்னு காட்டி கொண்டிருக்கேன். அதான் சரி, தமிழ்ல சொல்ல தேவையில்ல. සිංහලෙන් කියන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ කියලා හිතනවා. මම මොකද්ද කියලා මේ පෙන්වන්නේ එච්චරයි. හරිද? වෙබ්සයිට් එක කියන්නේ මොකද්ද කියලා. හරි. අපි මේක close කරමු. Right, we'll close that. Now let's ask Google how many websites are there. So it says 1.13 billion websites. Okay, so according to 2023, right? So 1.1 billion websites. Okay, there is a 1.1 billion website. So what billion 1.13 websites 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 businesses welcome. Harida. Okay, so you will okay, so right, so we will see the next part. Okay, so මට කියන්න වෙබ්සයිට් එකක මොකක්ද තියෙන්නේ? வெப்சைட் ஒன்றில் என்ன இருக்குது? நாங்க வெப்சைட் டிசைனிங் படிக்க போறோம், வெப் டிசைனிங். අපි වෙබ් ඩිසයිනින් ඉගෙන ගන්න යනවා. එතකොට වෙබ්සයිට් එකක්නේ අපි හදන්න යන්නේ. එතකොට வெப்சைட் එක මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? ஒரு வெப்சைட்ல என்ன இருக்குது? மைக் உள்ளவங்க ஆன் பண்ணி பேசலாம். டேட்டாஸ் வேற මොනවද? So class එකේ 171ක් ඉන්නවනේ. එක්කෙනයි දෙන්නයි මේ ආන්සර් කරන්නේ. මදි. Huh? Web P2.
Information about the vendors.
Information about vendors. Okay, what else?
Articles about items.
Articles about items. Okay, good. Go ahead. I'm just listening to your answers. Okay.
Advertisements.
Links.
Links.
Web
Okay. Web links. Okay. What else? Good.
Charts. Diagrams.
Charts,
Images.
diagrams. Okay.
Videos.
Videos. Very good. What else? Keep going.
Blogs.
Application.
Blog. Don't say blog. Blog is a type of a web page.
Okay.
Okay, we will come to that. Yeah, go ahead. Others? Movies, okay, video clips, audios, video files, images. Okay.
Informations.
Informations and data.
Okay, so please
Name,
now
tools.
when you say the word information, plural of the word information is also information. You can say I have many information. மங்கா விஸ்தரத்துரு கொடாத் தீனா கில கேன போலாம். எனக்கிட்ட நிறைய வந்து தகவல் இருக்கு அப்படினு சொல்றேன்டா. I have lot of information. Don't say informations என்று சொல்றது இல்ல, right? Datas அப்படினும் சொல்றது இல்ல. Datas கில தப்பி කියන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ plural of data is also data. If you want to say it's plural, you can say many data, lot of data. Likewise, you can use the words. Okay, go ahead. Right, nice, fine, good. Let's continue. So inside a website, you have information in short form. If I'm saying you have information, so this information can be in different types, in different formats, right? So it can be in text. You didn't say that text because now see, huge amount of information in a website is presented in text. So let's go to a website, something like www. Let's see. Let's search for a UI UX website where we can learn about web designing, right? Let's go to this website. I just searched and clicked on it. Right now, what you got is, I haven't been to this website before. I just searched in front of you and I have gone. In the, okay, මේ unit එක පටන් ගද්දී දැන් log වෙලා ඉන්නවා මම හිතන්නේ. එක්කෙනෙක් අහනවා දැන් මේවට PDF ඒ වගේම notes එවනවද කියලා. අපි දැන් මේ ටික ඉස්සරහට practical කරගෙන යන්නේ. එතකොට ඒවට මම notes දෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔය ළමයි අවශ්‍ය කරන ටික විතරක් නිකන් note down කරගන්න. මේක දැන් අපි introduction session එක යන්නේ අපි තාම. இதுக்கு வந்து இதுக்கெல்லாம் notes தர மாட்டேன்னா இதை வந்து நீங்க வீடியோ ரெக்கார்ட் ஆகுது பிறகு வேணும்னா பார்த்து கொள்ளலும் உங்களுக்கு நீங்க தேவையானதை குறிச்சு கொள்ளலும் அவ்வளவுதான். அடுத்தடுத்து நாங்க HTML எல்லாம் வந்து செஞ்சு தான் காட்டுவேன் நான் உங்களுக்கு எப்படி செய்யற அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. Right. Now if you go to this website, you can see information is there in the form of text. இது வந்து எழுத்து தானே මේක අකුරු වලින් තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට information තොරතුරු තියෙන්නේ මෙන්නම අකුරු වලින්. ඒ කියන්නේ වචන වලින් නැත්තම් වචන වලින් තමයි ඒක තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට ඒක කොටසක්. Right. Further you can see this is an image. So මේක පින්තූරයක්. ඒක පඩම්. Right. Further you have in a website you have links. The mouse pointer වාරණයට පාරෙන් ඒක link. මේක බලන්න මේක hyperlink එකක්. Okay click කරොත් ඒ කොටසට යනවා. දැන් මේගොල්ලෝ දීලා තිනවා hack design price to එක free website එකක් අල්ලු. site එක අල්ලු. ඉතල click பண்ணா அதுக்கு ඒ website එකට යනවා මේක click කරොත්. ඔන්න දැන් ඒක open වෙනවා. ඒක open වෙච්ච දැන් අපි පල්ලෙහාට යනවා. So එතකොට වෙන මොනවාද තියෙන්නේ කියලා බලමු website එක. ඔන්න මෙතන මේකත් advertisement එකක්. ඒක image එකක්. තව බලාගෙන යමු මොනවද තියෙන්නේ. අන්න මෙතන තියෙනවා තව image එකක්. හරි image එකක්. So ඔයා ඕකේ click කරොත් ඕක log වෙන්න හදලා තියෙන්නේ. Right. பெருசா click பண்ணா அதுல No, this part again and again don't ask. I clearly told you, no, for this one I'm not giving notes. தமிழ்ல சொல்றேன். இதுக்கு வந்து notes තාරද இல்ல நான். හරිද? පැහැදිලිද? right. පැය 16 අපි කරන්නේ. ඒක notes දීලා ඊට පස්සේ මේක කරන්න එහෙම කරන්න බෑ. ඒක practical නෑ. අපි කලින් batches මම කරලා දිනවා මේ ළමයින්ට. ඒක practical වෙන්නේ නෑ. notes දෙන්නේ නෑ මේවට. මම අවශ්‍ය කරන ඕන lesson එක ඉවර වෙනකොට HTML කරලා ඉවරුනම මම resources දෙන්නම් ඕගොල්ලන්ට. කොහෙන්ද? ඒව ගන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. ඔව් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම recordings ටික දෙනවා. දැන් මෙතන මැඩම් ඉන්නවනේ මේක record වෙනවා. මේ session එක දැනුත් record වෙනවා. හරිද? එතකොට ඒක හරිද? අනේ දුවේ පුතේ මට පොඩ්ඩක් සමාවෙන්න. මම root fill එකක් කරලා තින්නේ. හරි දැන් ඊය කරගෙන ආව මට ගොඩක් අමාරු injection ගහලා තින්නේ. හරිද? එහෙනම් මම චුට්ටක් හෙමින් කතා කරන්නම්. අර මගේ අර energy එක එන්නේ නැහැ කට රිදෙන හින්දා. මට පොඩ්ඩක් excuse කරන්න. අනිත් class එක මම ඊගා class එක මම පොඩ්ඩක් මීට වැඩි energy එකෙන් මම ඕගොල්ලන්ට කරන්නම් class එක. right? எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் நீங்க வந்து ஒரு எக்ஸ்கியூஸ் ஒன்று தரணும். எனக்கு வந்து இந்த ரூட் ஃபில் ஒன்று பண்ணியிருக்கிறதுனால சரியான மட்டும் இந்த ஒரு பக்கம் வலியா இருக்குது. இன்ஜெக்ஷன் அடிச்சுட்டு வந்து செஞ்சுட்டு பண்ணினதால அதனால அடுத்த கிளாஸ்ல இருந்து நாங்கள் செய்யணும் கொஞ்சம் இன்னும் கூட எனர்ஜெட்டிக்காக செய்வேன். ரைட் ஓகே ரைட். ஆனால் நான் கதைக்கிறது உங்களுக்கு நல்லா கிளியராக விளங்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நம்ம කතාකරනක පැහැදිලිද ඇහෙනව නේද? එහෙනම් ඇති right? Right. එතකොට ඔය පුතේ අහගන්න කෙටුකොල්ලங்க පුළල්. Then in this one yeah, thank you very much. So here you can see this is a lot of information is there. So in this website we could see text is there, images are there, links are there. Mainly those are the things that they have. So now earlier we went to another website. Now see if you go here you have right, this is input controls are there. This is a different type of a component is there. Right now they are using pictures also here. Right. So again some pictures they are using. Again buttons. These HTML forms we call them, right? இதுக்கு நாங்க forms ன்னு சொல்றது. Right. So අපි තව website එකකට යමු. දැන් අපි ගිය website එකකට යමුකෝ. Toyota website නාම පොන website උන්ට ගියපුවම ඒකටම යමු. So you can see behind the scene video clips are being played. I don't know whether the video is breaking for you. If you have a slow connection it will be breaking, but you know this is also information is presented in the form of video, right? Okay මම ඔයාලට ටිකක් ආස හිතෙන වෙබ්සයිට් එකට අපි යමුකෝ. මම ඔයාලට පෙන්නන්නම් මගේ channel එකක් තියෙනවා. ඔයාලා පුළුවන් නම් subscribe කරන්න මේකට. මේකේ YouTube channel එකක් තියෙන මේක. හරිද? මේක මගේ මම නිකන් කරනවා මේ කෑම හදන විදිය. මෙන්න මේව. This is my website. This is the channel. If you go to this YouTube, it's a social media website also. I'll put the link there. So if you could, please give me a support by subscribing. Okay, I'll give you. Right. I just wanted to tell you, if you come to this website, this is also a website. YouTube is a website, social media website. Here you have mainly you have videos. Okay, so you go to YouTube to most of the time you are going for entertainment purpose, but you can learn a lot of things in this one, right? You can see we have put some videos in this one, right? I started this one during the Corona period. It's not bad. It's going so many nice stuff are there, right? Okay, right. Okay, so that is this is about what you call videos, right? So well, you can just click on a link, then it'll quickly come, right? Let's click on this one. So the information that you're going to see is will be presented in video form, right? Okay, so information can be in video form as well, right? Right, so that is what we learned. Okay, I wanted to show you some more information, right? You'd have seen this one as well, right? Now, அது வந்து இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வந்து வீடியோ ஃபார்ம்லயும் காணப்படும். அதுக்கு நான் யூடியூப் ஒரு சாம்பிளா காட்டினேன். அதே மாதிரி என் யூடியூப் சேனல்ல மேல போட்டேன். சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்றவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, ரைட்? ஓகே. Now map is also another type of information that you can present, right? So if you go to some websites, they will give you something like locate us. So if you want to really find the place, okay, cake pudding video we will upload. I think we have the video there, right? It is there. You go and check, it's there. Right. So map is also another type of information that you can include in your websites. I will teach you how to do that, right? I will teach you how to do that, right? How to include a map, I will teach you. So I just wanted to tell you what sort of information that you can present, right? So text, so you can put images, then you can put links. You were correctly saying all these things. What you say was correct, links. Because I want to save some space, I'll take like this. What else? We can put audio, we can put video, you can put many other things you can put, right? What else did we see? Videos,
Maps.
Graphics. You said something?
Maps.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Maps. Google Maps you can put. Now உங்களுக்கு சொல்லி தருவேன் எப்படி சொல்றேன்னு, right? Okay. Nice. So இந்த மாதிரி இன்ன விஷயங்களை எங்களுக்கு இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணலாம், right? When we are learning how to create our web designs, our web pages, we're going to use all these kind of things. Hyperlinks are the ones I just added like this. So you are saying articles and all. Articles will be created mainly when you want to create text and images. When you are using text and images, you can use the articles are created using text and images. Okay, right. What else? Nice. Okay. Now let's get ready with the lesson. What sort of things that we need to do the class? I'm going to introduce you the software, right? So what are the things needed to learn the class, right? So I was giving you an introduction. What is internet we learned? And what is World Wide Web we discussed, because you should know basics of that. For that, I introduced you what is World Wide Web. Inside the World Wide Web, we have 1.13 billion websites. It's a huge number. If you take just one website is made out of multiple web pages. Many web pages. So if you take a web page, if you take just one web page has this kind of information. This is what the summary of the discussion that we had. මේක තමයි අපි ඩිස්කස් කරපු ලෙසන් එකේ සාරාංශය. මම හිතනවා මේ ළමයි ඔය ළමයින්ට මේක ක්ලියර් ඇති කියලා. මේක ලොකු කතන්දර නෑ මෙතන, පොඩි දේවල් තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? හරි. මම ඔයාලට මගේ ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස් ලට කොහොමත් දුවේ පුතේ කියලා තමයි කතා කරන්නේ. මම දන්නේ නැහැ වයසින් වැඩි අය මෙතන ඉන්නවද කියලා. මට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. මගේ ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස් ලා හැමෝටම මම එහෙම තමයි කතා කරන්නේ. நான் பிள்ளைகளுக்கு வந்து துவே புத்தே இல்லைன்னா மகன் மகள்னு தான் கதைப்பேன். பெரியவங்க இருக்கிறீங்களோ தெரியாது, பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஸோ அதை பத்தி எனக்கு பிரச்சனை இல்லை, நான் அப்படிதான் கதைப்பேன். ரைட், ஓகே. Let's continue. Right. So that part I was explaining you. Any doubts, you can talk to me now. ஒரு 30 seconds தாரேன், எது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தா சொல்லுங்க. அதோட சேர்த்து இந்த வாயும் வலிக்குது. நமக்கு කටත් රෙදෙනවා. 30 seconds දෙනවා ළමයින්ට. පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න බලන්න doubts මොනවා හරි තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. මොකුත්ම නැද්ද? ඔක්කොම පැහැදිලිද?
One sec, sir. It's not a doubt. I just wanted to know what is that after the email we are having something called Gopher.
Gopher was used for the search engines. You can search about that in the internet. I don't know whether that is so popular these days, but you can search about it and see it was part of internet. Now, the basic idea that we wanted to understand was internet is not just World Wide Web. Internet is collection of a lot of features. That's the main picture that I want you people to understand. That is why I was adding that into the list. I suggest that after my class, you just go in the Google, you say, what is Gopher? And you can get some information on that. Did I clear it out?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Anyone else? யாரும் இருக்கீங்களா? எந்த மொழியில வேண்டாலும் கதைக்கலாம். ඕන භාෂාවකින් අහන්න doubt එකක් තියෙනවා. හරි. මම හිතන්නේ Gopher is just like Google. Okay, good. Nice. එතකොට right. අපි බලමු ඊගා කොටස. අපි මේක ක්ලියර් කරලා දාමු නේද? right. ඔන්න ඕක ක්ලියර් කරලා දාමු. අපිට මොනවද software ඕනේ? එங்களுக்கு என்ன software தேவை? software එක தமிழ்ல மென்பொருள் அப்படின்னு சொல்றது. software වලට සිංහලෙන් අපි කියනවා මෘදුකාංග කියලා නේද? right. so එතකොට අපිට අවශ්‍ය කරන software මොනවද? මේ course එක කරන්න. What software do we need to do this one? Right. So you will need Visual Studio Code. So I'm going, because widely developers in the industry, they are using Visual Studio Code, and it has a lot of plugins, and we call them as extensions, and it's really convenient to work. எங்களுக்கு வேலை செய்யறதுக்கு Visual Studio Code என்ற software தேவை. எப்படி இன்ஸ்டால் பண்றதுன்னு இப்ப காட்ட போறேன். අපිට වැඩ කරන්න Visual Studio Code එක අවශ්‍යයි. මම කොහෙන්ද download කරන්න, කොහොමද install කරන්න කියලා කියන්න. ඕක megabytes 100ටත් අඩුයි. If I'm not wrong, it is around 70 something megabytes. You can download and install. இது வந்து ஒரு 100க்கும் குறைவா தான் வரும் megabytes size. உங்களுக்கு download பண்ணி install பண்ணிக்கொள்ளலாம். முதலாவது
Excuse me, sir.
Yes dear, go ahead.
Sir, regarding the Visual Studios, sir, so
It's
if
not
we
Visual
were
Studio,
say-
Buddha. Visual Studio Code, VS Code.
Okay, code.
No, you don't.
So-
I have both because I'm doing the C# program for the other batches. So that is why this
okay.
Visual Studio is different. Visual Studio Code is a light. It's more like a text editor for you, but has a lot of
Okay.
features. Okay, it's very light. It'll work. I will open and show you. Right. Okay. Thanks for
Okay,
asking that question. Right. So we will continue from there. So you need Visual Studio Code. I'll just open that and show you. Not only web development you can do in VS Code. I am using that one for my Python development, C development, and when I'm doing my classes. Now for your college, I'm doing a Python course as well, programming. So I'm teaching Python these days. So that is what you see here. So these are some Python examples. So last class, what we did. So last class, we were doing about variables, and this is the kind of environment that we have, right? So we need this software by next class. All of you should download this and install. You can go to like this. Go in Google, you can type download, you type VS Code, right? So you type, I will put that in the public chat for you. Go to Google, type this one, download VS Code. And if you search for this, you will get the very first link, which is from the Microsoft itself. visualstudio.com, there is one. And here you can see down, this is, go for the Microsoft link. Okay. This is says visualstudio.com. Better we go to this one, right? I think Visual Studio website itself, it has a website, right? So we can go to this one. If you come here, so I should correct yourself. This is Visual Studio, right? We want VS Code, right? So we should go to Visual Studio Code. Well, let's go to this one, right? Okay, right. This is the one. So I will copy paste that in the chat window as well. right? For everybody, I'm adding. So save that one. No. You don't have to pay for this one. This is totally free. This is totally free. You can get the community edition. You can totally free. You go for whatever the version that you have. If you're on a Linux machine, download one of these. If you're on a Mac, you can download this. Okay, cool, right? Some people are saying, right, you already have it. You can use it. You don't need to download and install it again. Just use it, right? Okay, give me a second. Right, you can click on this one and just you can get it downloaded. I already have downloaded this one. So it's asking me to download. I have to quickly cancel that because I have a fiber line. Within 1 or 2 seconds, it will download, right? Okay, as you say, it will quickly get downloaded. I have the downloaded version with me. I can show you that. Let me show you. 1 second. Yes, cool. Yeah, got it. Here you can see I've just downloaded that. Not today, but I have downloaded it. Can you see there is called VS Code? VS Code. This is 88.8 megabytes. Okay, 88.8 megabytes. You can download that, right? Okay. This one 88.8 megabytes download pannikondu install pannalam. Okay, download karagan. So can we download in mobile phone? Pute, yeah, I don't know. You just go and search whether a VS Code version is available for mobile, right? Let me check that, but we are running out of time. VS Code for mobile phone. How to install VS Code in Android phone? How to set up Visual Code in your mobile phones? I think there is a workaround. I don't know whether you can directly get an app from the Google Play or App Store, but you can give it a try and see. I'm strongly recommending not to use in the mobile phone. Try doing it in a computer, right? Computer only saying a mobile phone la say it recommended illa. Sir, mage 1.7 am. කමක් නැද්ද සර් ඕන version එක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ අප්ඩේට් කරගන්න ඕන අප්டேட் කරගන්න මේක අවුලක් නැහැ தமிழ்ல சொல்றதுக்கு ஒண்ணும் இல்லம்மா இதுல வந்து என்ன செய்யற நீங்க வந்து இந்த எப்படி அடிங்க கூகுள்ல போயிட்டு VS Code டவுன்லோட் VS Code அப்படின்னு அடிங்க டவுன்லோட் VS Code அடிங்க அதுல வந்து முதலாவது லிங்க் வரும் இந்த மாதிரி நீல கலர் ஐகான் வரும் code.visualstudio.com அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அதுல கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னு சொன்னா இந்த வெப்சைட்டுக்கு வரும் இந்த நீலமா இந்த வருது இதுல முதலாவது இப்ப விண்டோஸ்ல இருக்கீங்கன்னு சொன்னா இதுல கிளிக் பண்ணி டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிக்கலாம் அவ்வளவுதான் ரைட் குயிக்கா டவுன்லோட் ஆயிடும் හරි නේද ටික පැහැදිලිනේ හරි so if laptop is not there means laptop නැත්තා නේද මොකද කරන්නේ I wish දැන් අපි එතකොට ව්‍යාපෘතියක් පටන් ගන්න වෙනවා මම දෙනවා හැමෝටම laptops එහෙමද I wish I could do that එහෙම නෑනේ නේද mobile phone වලට තියෙන app එක මොකද්ද sir ඒක පුතේ සර්ච් කරලා බලන්න වෙනවා මම නම් try කරලා නැහැ mobile එක දිනනවද බලන්න mobile එක කරන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා බලන්න එහෙම නැත්නම් online platforms තියෙනවා ඔයාලට ගිහිල්ලා type කරලා test කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන් okay right right අපිට දැන් කාලේ තාම වේගෙන් ගෙවිලා යනවා ரைட் நேரம் மிச்சம் வேகமா போய் கொண்டிருக்கு நாங்க இது இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணியாச்சு அடுத்த ඊගාව software එක මම කියලා නතර කරනවා හරියට මම 7:00ට ක්ලාස් එක ඉවර කරනවා විනාඩි 5ක break එකක් දෙන්න මම pray කර ගන්න ඕනේ මගේ house prayers මම ඉවර කරලා 7:35ට මම photography class එක පටන් ගන්නවා මේ class එකේ photography class එකට එන්න කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා නම් 7:35ට මම පටන් ගන්නවා පන්තිය இந்த கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கிறீங்கடா photography classக்கு நான் இன்னும் சரியா 7:35 ஆகல கிளாஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவேன் தொழுதுட்டு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவேன் நான் கிளாஸ் இது பண்ணுங்க ரைட் அதுல போயிட்டு டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணலாம் இதுல இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ் கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க டெப் ஃபைலை எப்படி டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிக்கொள்றோம்னு சொல்லி அது அப்படி இல்லைன்னா கமாண்ட் ஒன்று எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணிடும் இன்னும் ஒரு நிமிஷம் කවුරුත් එක්සිට් වෙන්න එපා අහගන්න එක්සිට් වෙන්න එපා තව software එකක් පෙන්නනවා ඒත් එක්කම දුවේ පුතේ ඔයාලට මෙන්න මේ වගේ browser එකක් අවශ්‍යයි මම use කරනවා Brave browser එක ඔයාලට Chrome හරි Edge හරි ඕන browser එකක් පාවිච්චි කරන්න ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ but better you have a browser ඉස්සරහට classes ටික කරගෙන යන්න අපිට mainly ඕන කරන්නේ ඔය software දෙක තමයි ඒ කියන්නේ Visual Studio Code I need next week please get it installed After that, a browser. That's all you need to practice. Okay, right. Other panthi meaning ivarai. Oh, yes.
Can't we use the Chrome as the
Pulan do
browser?
can.
Okay.
Chrome use
Okay.
කරන්න පුළුවන්. I'll tell you. ඔයාලා දැන් ඔයා කැමතිද කවුරු හරි ඔයා ගෑනු ළමෙක් නේද? ඔයා කොහේ හරි යනවා කියන්නකො. Right. So you are going somewhere. Someone is following you. ඔයා මොකද්ද කරන්නේ? ඔයා කරන හැම දෙයක්ම එක්කෙනෙක් හොයලා බලනවා. Someone is let's say someone is watching you very closely, everything. ඔයා කොහොද යන්නේ? මොකද්ද ගත්තේ? කීයක්ද වියදම් කරේ? කාවද meet කරන්න? කාටද call කරන්නේ? ඔක්කොම ගන්න. So if someone is doing some kind of a thing, you definitely not going to like it, do you? Right? So that's a breach of your privacy. So Google, Chrome and all, it's very good at doing that. It steals a lot of information, right? So better you use something like a Brave browser. It has inbuilt protection. So I don't like that kind of a thing. So if I go here, I recently installed Windows in my PC. Again, I installed this. That's why it shows this number of trackers. Trackers are the one, they are saying what kind of videos you are watching, what websites you are visiting. They are tracking. So it has blocked these things. And this number of bandwidth have been saved, and this number of time has been saved also. So I strongly recommend the Brave browser for safety reasons. All right. Okay, students, it's 1 more minute I took. I'm sorry. So do your prayers as well and come. We will start the class 7:35. See you all
Sir,
in the
one doubt.
Kianda in the prayers miss ஆயிருமே.
இல்ல என்னண்டா இதுல நீங்க விண்டோஸ்ல டவுன்லோட் கொடுக்க சொன்னீங்க தானே?
ஆமா, சொல்லுங்க.
அது கொடுத்த பிறகு என்ன செய்யணும்?
கொடுத்த பிறகு டவுன்லோட் பண்ணனும். அதான்
எங்க மேல அந்த ப்ளூ கலர்ல போட்டுருக்கு அதுவா?
இல்லம்மா, பாருங்க, இதுல கிளிக் பண்ணனும்னு சொன்னா இப்படி கிளிக் பண்ணோம்னா இந்த வர இப்படி ஓபன் ஆகும் பாருங்க, விண்டோ வந்து. இத வருது. இத அப்படியே சேவ் பண்ணிக்கொள்ளுங்க. ஏதாவது ஒரு இடத்துக்கு நீங்க டெஸ்க்டாப்லன்னு சொல்லுங்களே, டெஸ்க்டாப்ல போட்டு இங்க சேவ் பண்ணீங்கன்னு சொன்னா ஃபைலா வந்துரும். சரியா? ஃபைலா வந்தா இந்த மாதிரி ஃபைல் ஒன்று வரும் உங்களுக்கு. இதை டபுள் கிளிக் பண்ணி இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணிக்கொள்ளுங்க. ஃபைல் டவுன்லோட் பண்ண தெரியும் தானே? Okay. See you in the next class, children, then. Because I have to start the next class. Okay. Bye. God bless you all. Parasaming in the Iga class. Right? Thank you very much.
Thank you.